In one of our videos, we looked at linear equations, which are used in a variety of applications. But you may be asked to solve two linear equations simultaneously. This video will show you what that means and how to do it. Let's start with an example. We are asked to solve these equations simultaneously. Y equals 3x plus 6 and 2y plus x equals 26. But what does solving simultaneously mean? From what we learn about linear equations, a single linear equation has an infinite number of solutions, and these solutions can be represented by a line when we graph them. But if we have two linear equations, we can solve them together, and this will give us a single solution, which is where the two lines cross. That's what solving simultaneously means, to take two equations, each of which has an infinite number of solutions, and find a point which is a solution to both of them. So how do we do this? Let's go back to our two equations. Each of them has two letters. To solve this, we need to combine these two equations to get an equation with only one letter in it. If an equation has only one letter, we can solve it to find a value for that letter. It often helps to number our equations so they are easier to keep track of. Y equals 3x plus 6 is equation 1. 2y plus x equals 26 is equation 2. Okay, so equation 1 tells us that y is equal to 3x plus 6. That means I can take this value for y from equation 1 and substitute it into equation 2. Let's substitute equation 1 into equation 2. 2 outside of 3x plus x equals 26. See? We only have x's now. Next, let's expand out that bracket and simplify. 6x plus 12 plus x equals 26. Now putting the x's together. Then we take away 12 from both sides. Now we divide both sides by 7. Okay, so x equals 2. To find the value of y, we have to substitute x equals 2 into one of our original equations. Say equation 1. So we take y equals 3x plus 6 and substitute into it x equals 2. Y equals 3 times 2 plus 6. Y equals 6 plus 6. Y equals 12. Now we know that y equals 12. And that's our solution. X equals 2 and y equals 12. To check that our answer is correct, we substitute the values we have obtained, x equals 2, into both our original equations and see that y equals 12. Since it works in both of them, we know that we have got the correct solution.